This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Sienna. This minivan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Features include commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Wilde Toyota is located at 3225 South 108th Street in West Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.